Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the blue flame ray in Fish It Roblox. So if you're looking for the most legendary mythic glow in the ocean, the blue flame ray is here. And I'm going to show you the location, bait, and road that you need to catch this glowing piece. First, for the location, you just need to go to the Kana Islands. But for this one, the blue flame ray, it is located inside the volcano. So you can just go inside the Kana volcano first, and then just find your favorite fishing spots inside the volcano in here. And as for me, I'm using the element road and also the singularity bait to get the mythic blue flame ray. So that's pretty much all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.